Hello, a very good morning everyone. Welcome to Infinity Learn NEET channel. Hope you all are doing fine. So this is Dr. Priyanka Day and today we are going to discuss a very important chapter, that is Animal Kingdom. तो Animal Kingdom मेरा तो favorite chapter है. I hope आप सभी का भी होगा, isn't it? तो इस important और interesting chapter को आज हम revise करेंगे with the help of short notes and some very good question. So are you all ready for it? Let me know in the chat box. सभी बच्चे फटाफट से hi hello बोल दो. All those who are present in the session, let me know and mark your attendance by saying good morning. Hello Mubashara, how are you? Very good morning. Nice to see you here. Others also, you can tell me hi hello in the chat box. Come on, fast, so that we can start. So like I told you that this will be a revision, overall revision for this chapter of Animal Kingdom, where not only we are going to get short notes, right, that you should be keeping for your NEET examination for quick revision, but we are also going to discuss some very important question, right? So when we talk about this chapter, Animal Kingdom, it is divided into 3 parts, isn't it? Hello everyone. Hello Sarika. Hello Talk. Hello everyone. I hope you all are fine. Good morning. You can tell me your name also in the chat box so that I should not be telling you talk funny, right? So when we talk about Animal Kingdom, it is divided into 3 parts. The basis of classification, the non-chordata part and the chordata part. So please expect 3 questions from this chapter, okay, 1 from each. तो बेसिस ऑफ क्लासिफिकेशन से क्वेश्चन आपसे डेफिनेटली पूछा जाएगा नीट में, एक पूछा जाएगा नॉन कॉर्डेटा से और एक पूछा जाएगा कॉर्डेटा से. सो आर यू ऑल रेडी फॉर दैट? यस, आई एम डूइंग एब्सोल्युटली फाइन मुबाशरा. होप यू आर डूइंग फाइन टू. सो तभी सभी बच्चे तैयार हैं? आर यू ऑल रेडी टू डिस्कस विथ मी द शॉर्ट नोट्स एंड द क्वेश्चंस फ्रॉम दिस चैप्टर? आर यू ऑल रेडी? ओके. So without wasting any time, let's proceed. So like I told you that all the short notes will be handwritten, and after this discussion you will be taking a screenshot and retain it. For PDF you can join our Telegram channel where you will be getting all the PDFs, right? There you can get these short notes and you can keep it till your NEET examination for the quick revision. Yes, Sarika, Mubashara, everyone ready? Okay, perfect. So like I told you that Animal Kingdom is divided into basis of classification, non-chordata and chordata, right? So I will be discussing all the important points that will be asked in NEET examination, right? So every point will be covered, nothing we are going to miss. So in basis of classification, many a times questions are asked on the symmetry, right? So when we talk about the symmetry of Echinodermata, remember that the adult have radial symmetry but the larva will have bilateral symmetry. Okay, so this is the difference. Okay, याद रखना है. फिर जो next question पूछा जा सकता है, that is on the germ layer organization and silo. So if you can recall the platyhelminths, remember the platyhelminths are triploblastic but acoelomate. So these are the only organisms that are triploblastic and acoelomate. Am I right? Let me know. Am I right? Okay. Remember, asymmetry is seen in porifera but not all porifera are asymmetrical. Am I right? क्या सारे ही porifera asymmetrical है? Remember that mostly they are asymmetrical but some can be radially symmetrical as well. Remember that point, right? Radial symmetry is seen in Cnidaria, Ctenophora and adult Echinodermata, and bilateral symmetry from platyhelminths to chordata. And जब हम platyhelminths से chordata की तरफ जाते हैं, Echinodermata is the exception where the larva is bilaterally symmetrical but adult is radially symmetrical. Okay? चलो. Segmentation की अगर हम बात करते हैं, segmentation when the body is divided into compartments with serial repetition of organs, तो वहाँ पर segmentation आपको मिलेगा Annelida, Arthropoda and Chordata में. याद रखिए Annelida में होगा both internal and external segmentation. In Arthropoda it is only external segmentation, and in case of Chordata it is internal segmentation. Hello Mansi, good morning, how are you? ठीक, तो ये याद रखना है. Right, now coming to notochord. When we talk about notochord, remember it is present dorsally, it is derived from mesoderm, okay, and it gives support to the body, isn't it? So notochord agar present hai, then the organism is chordata, and if the notochord is absent, then the organism is non-chordata. ये हमें पता है, right? In some animals, the notochord changes to vertebral column and we call them as vertebrata. So we are going to discuss about chordata also in detail, right? So remember that these are some very important points. Please note down and take a screenshot fast. Take a screenshot fast. Done? Okay. Now, when we talk about the habitat, okay, there are certain animals that are exclusively marine, and this could be asked in NEET examination. Which grade is this? This is grade 11th, Animal Kingdom, which is the first chapter of zoology, right? So when we talk about habitat, remember when we talk about porifera, are they marine or freshwater? Remember that they are mostly marine, okay, mostly marine. Same with Cnidaria, they are mostly marine. That means there are freshwater species. But when we talk about Ctenophora, what about Ctenophora? Who will tell me? Ctenophora, are they marine or freshwater? Ctenophora, are they marine or freshwater? Ctenophoras are marine or freshwater? What are they? Yes, definitely, Shashmita. This is for grade 11th, Animal Kingdom. So these are Ctenophoras are exclusively marine, remember. So not only Ctenophora is exclusively marine, Echinodermata is also exclusively marine, Hemichordata is also exclusively marine. Remember that. Okay, this is asked in NEET examination. So we are going to discuss all the important points, right? Now when we talk about segmentation, Annelida, Arthropoda and Chordata show segmentation. Remember that mollusca is not going to show segmentation, okay? Now can you see here, this is mollusca, right? And they have a mental cavity. Can you see? Mental cavity. So this mental cavity have ctenidia, feather-like gills that help in respiration and excretion, right? So please take a screenshot of this also, this slide also, please. This will help you in quick revision. Because when we talk about Echinodermata, they have water vascular system that help in locomotion with the help of tube feet. Okay, and this question came in NEET 2025 as well, right? So when we talk about Porifera, they have canal system, but when we talk about Echinodermata, they have water vascular system. So the question in 2025 was, which of the following is not the function of water vascular system? So just take a screenshot fast. Okay. So first I am going to discuss about Chordata, then I will pick the phylums from non-Chordata. So when we talk about Chordata, I already told you that animals that have notochord in any stage of their life, whether they have notochord in the larval stage or in the adult stage, they will be termed as Chordata. So not only notochord is the characteristic feature, they should have dorsal hollow nerve cord, they should have pharyngeal gill slits, they should have post-anal tail, okay? So then only they will be classified as chordata. Understood? Now chordata can be classified into two groups, acraniata or avertebrata or craniata or vertebrata. Acraniata include protochordates like Urochordata and Cephalochordata. Urochordata have notochord only in the larval tail and it is absent in adult, right, like Acidia, Herdmania, Doliolum, Salpa. When we talk about Cephalochordata, they have notochord from head to tail throughout their life. Larva में भी होगा, adult में भी होगा notochord, right? And example is Amphioxus, also termed as branchiostoma or lancelet. तो इन्हें हम क्या बोलते हैं? इन्हें हम बोलते हैं प्रोटोकॉर्डेट्स. क्या बोलते हैं? प्रोटोकॉर्डेट्स, एंड ये एक्सक्लूसिवली मरीन है. अब अगर हम क्रेनिएटा या वर्टिब्रेटा की बात करें, इन्हें हम डिवाइड करते हैं इनटू एग्नाथा एंड ग्नाथोस्टोमाटा. व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ग्नाथा? हु विल टेल मी? व्हाट इज द मीनिंग ऑफ ग्नाथा? यस, सो ग्नाथा मीन्स जॉ. ठीक है, तो जब जॉ नहीं है, दोज ऑर्गेनिजम्स आर क्लासिफाइड एज क्लास साइक्लोस्टोमाटा. These are ectoparasite on big fishes, have 6 to 15 pairs of gill slits. Example is petromyzin, that is lamprey, and myxine or hagfish. When we talk about gnathostomata, they are further divided into Pisces and Tetrapoda. Pisces में आता है chondric thighs and ostick thighs, that is cartilaginous fishes and bony fishes, and Tetrapoda में आता है amphibia, reptilia, aves and mammalia. Yes? So please take a screenshot so that we can proceed further. तो आगे हम देखते हैं कि how chordata is classified and what are the characteristic features that will be asked in NEET. तो जल्दी से इसका screenshot लेंगे हम and then only we are going to proceed. Right? Chalo. So we need to remember certain important examples of chondric thighs and ostick thighs or important characteristics. So like Scolidon, Pristis, Carcharodon, Torpedo, Trigon. So these are cartilaginous fishes जिन्हें हम बोलते हैं shark. When we talk about ostick thighs, we have betta fighting fish, which is an aquarium species. Then we have pterophyllum, which is angelfish, again aquarium. इसके अलावा कातला, fresh water, right? Clarias, that is magur, also is fresh water. Marine में आता है hippocampus, exocetus, that is flying fish. Now there is a lot of difference between chondric thighs and ostick thighs. तो वो difference पे question पूछा जाएगा NEET में, remember that. Okay? For example, अगर हम बात करते हैं scales, that the scales are different. In chondric thighs, you have placoid scales. In ostick thighs, you have cycloid, ctenoid, gynoid scales, right? Operculum is not there in chondric thighs, no operculum, but operculum is present, gill cover is present in case of ostick thighs, right? Fertilization की अगर हम बात करें, that is internal in chondric thighs and external in ostick thighs. So hello everyone. So please take a screenshot of the differences between chondric thighs and ostick thighs. तो जल्दी से हम screenshot लेंगे. So it's a quick revision so that we can solve our questions. In case of male chondric thighs या male cartilaginous fishes, claspers are present. क्योंकि हमने अभी देखा कि fertilization is internal. So to introduce the sperm inside the body of female, the male will be having claspers. Okay? Remember that. Right? So when we talk about Tetrapoda, like I told you, it includes classes like amphibia, reptilia, aves and mammalia. Right? तो सारे important points जिससे question पूछा जाता है is included here. Good morning, San. You can tell me your name also in the chat box. Very good morning. चलो. So remember, examples are absolutely important. So amphibia के examples है hyla, ichthyophis. Hyla is a tree frog. Ichthyophis is limbless amphibian. It looks like a snake, but it is not a snake, right? Then buffo is toad, rana tigrina, we all know, the common frog. Okay. Now question will be asked from hyla and ichthyophis. When we talk about reptilia, okay, question is asked mostly on chelone, which is turtle, testudo is tortoise, right? और reptiles में बहुत सारे lizards भी होते हैं, and many a times we are confused about their names, right? So there will be tree lizard, garden lizard and wall lizard. Do you remember the names? क्या आपको याद है names? Can you tell me the names of the tree lizard, garden lizard and wall lizard? बताओ. Schizocylum and enterocylum, absolutely, I will explain that. So when we talk about tree lizard, it is chameleon. When we talk about garden lizard, it is calotes. And when we are going to talk about the wall lizard, that is hemidactylus. याद रखना है, right? Okay. Now, snakes are definitely again included in reptilia. When we talk about aves, right? Aves include some very important examples like Aptenodytes penguin, Neophoronus vulture, right? Pavo is the example that is asked many times in NEET exam. So pavo is peacock. Struthio, okay, Struthio is ostrich. तो pavo पे ध्यान देना है. When you will be picking up your PYQs, you will find that many times it is asked. Okay. Coming to mammalia or mammals, pay attention that the feature that is common in all the mammals without any exception will be the presence of mammary glands. तो अगर किसी एनिमल में mammary glands present है तो ही हम उन्हें mammals बोलते हैं. Now there could be mammals that lay eggs. There could be mammals that have pouches. There could be mammals who give birth to young ones. ठीक है, तो तीनों ही तरह के mammals हो सकते हैं. एग लेइंग मैमल पे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है नीट में. फॉर एग्जाम्पल ही पूछा जाता है. सो वी हैव ऑर्निथोरैंकस, राइट, एंड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट वी हैव एकिडना. ऑर्निथोरैंकस इज प्लैटिपस एंड एकिडना is spiny anteater. ये दोनों याद रखना है आपको, राइट. देन वी हैव बैलेनोप्टेरा ब्लू व्हेल इज ऑल्सो मैमल. डॉल्फिन इज ऑल्सो मैमल. टेरोपस इज फ्लाइंग फॉक्स. बैट, वो भी क्या है, mammal hai, right? So please go through this also, and definitely I'll tell you about schizocylum and enterocylum. So please go through it. Take a screenshot. Done? अब हम बात करेंगे नॉन कॉर्डेटा की. सो हियर आई विल एक्सप्लेन दैट सीलोम ऑल्सो. सो नॉन कॉर्डेटा include porifera, nidaria, ctenophora, platyhelminths, aschelminths, annelida, arthropoda, mollusca, right, echinodermata, hemichordata. तो ये सारे नॉन कॉर्डेटा फाइलम्स हैं, right? Now here again please understand that examples will be important, exception will be important. Nidaria में metagenesis is always asked in NEET. And what is metagenesis? Can anybody tell me what is metagenesis? क्या होता है metagenesis? Hello बच्चा. Very good morning to everyone. Those who have joined just now. This is the class for grade 11 students where we are studying animal kingdom. Yes, Krish. So metagenesis क्या होता है? Can anybody tell me? Hello, good evening everyone. Hope you all are doing fine. You are new to this channel, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel. Are you in grade 11th? Because not only this session is for grade 11th, even if you are in grade 12th or you have taken a drop and preparing for NEET, definitely it will help. Yeah, very good. So metagenesis is alternation of generation. Okay, when in one generation polyp gives rise to medusa in next generation, and then the medusa will give rise to polyp in the next generation. तो अगर मैं polyp की तरह हूँ like a hydra with hypostome on top and tentacles on top, और मेरे जो बच्चे हैं वो है like jellyfishes या medusa, and then उनके बच्चे like polyp, then उनके बच्चे like medusa. So this is what is alternation of generation, and we call it as metagenesis. Now, is it shown by all the organisms in Nigeria? No. It's your first drop. Okay, very good. So prepare well, and this channel will help you a lot. Okay, because यहाँ पे there will be no time waste, only पढ़ाई. Okay, तो अच्छे से पढ़ाई करते हैं, शॉर्ट नोट्स देते हैं, क्वेश्चन सॉल्व करते हैं, एंड डेफिनेटली योर मार्क्स विल इम्प्रूव. कैसे सिलेक्शन नहीं होगा अगर हम दिन रात मेहनत करते हैं टुवर्ड्स आवर गोल, राइट? सो इट इज शोन बाय ओबेलिया. ओके, ओबेलिया विच इज ऑल्सो टर्म्ड एज सी फर. सो मेटाजेनेसिस एक यूनिक फीचर है इन नाइजीरिया. रिमेंबर दैट. Then coming to Ctenophora, they are exclusively marine. ये मैं पहले ही आपको बता चुकी हूँ, राइट? इसका एग्जाम्पल पे क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है, दैट इज प्लूरोब्रेकिया विच इज अ सी गूसबेरी, और एक और एग्जाम्पल है जो पूछा जाता है, दैट इज टीनोप्लेना. सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट प्लेटीहेलमिन्स, so they are triploblastic animals and they are acoelomate. ट्रिप्लोब्लास्टिक है, 3 जर्म लेयर्स हैं और कोई सीलोम भी नहीं है. Understood? And when we talk about aschelmins, here the muscular pharynx starts developing and they are pseudocoelomate. इनके पास होता है false coelom. Sexual dimorphism show करते हैं, male and female looks different. Okay? Now after that, aschelmins के जो बाद वाला phylum है वहाँ से शुरू होता है true coelom. And this true coelom or eucoelom is of 2 types. Like Mubashira was asking, schizocoelom and enterocoelom. So when we talk about Annelida, Arthropoda and Mollusca, so they show schizocoelom. क्या show करते हैं? Note it down. They show schizocoelom. But when we talk about Echinodermata, Hemichordata and Chordata, they show enterocoelom. Okay? अब इसमें भी क्या difference है? That we are going to study. पर पहले ये इसका स्क्रीनशॉट ले लो जल्दी. टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट. टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट फास्ट. वंस डन लेट मी नो. Okay? Okay, so this is Dr. Priyanka De, zoology faculty having 13 plus years of experience in teaching zoology. Okay, chalo. So Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca will be having a schizocoelom, and Hemichordata, Chordata and Echinodermata will be having enterocoelom. Now what is the difference? Let's understand. So schizocoelom will be derived from the splitting of mesodermal cells. So mesodermal layer जो है, when the cells will separate and will make a space filled with fluid, we call it as a schizocoelom. Okay? Now what is enterocoelom? So remember that enteron means the gut wall. So when the coelom develops from the gut wall or enteron, we call it as the enterocoelom. Right? Enterocoelom थोड़ा advanced coelom है, but both are true coelom. दोनों ही ट्रू सीलोम होगा बिकॉज दे आर लाइंड बाय मेसोडर्म ऑन ऑल इट्स साइड्स. ठीक है, याद रखना है. ओके, चलो. एनालिडा में मेटामेरिज्म पूछा जाता है बच्चों. सेगमेंटेशन काफी बार पूछा गया है, और यहाँ पर एक एक्सेप्शन है, दैट इज नेरिस. एम आई राइट? सैंडवर्म. सो नेरिस पे भी कई बार आपको क्वेश्चन मिलेगा. नेरिस, राइट? नाउ नेरिस क्यों पूछा जाता है, क्या एक्सेप्शन है इसमें? सो व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट द रेस्ट ऑफ द एनालिडा, हम अर्थवॉर्म की बात करें या हम दूसरे एनालिडा की बात करें, हिरुडिनेरिया की बात करें, लीच की बात करें, राइट? सो दे आर मोनोशियस, राइट? मोनोशियस. But when we talk about Nereis, it is dioecious. बहुत important question है NEET का, note it down please. Okay, so Nereis is dioecious. Sexes are separate. Understood? So Nereis is dioecious. They have parapodia. Since it is aquatic, parapodia helps in swimming. It also helps in exchange of gases. But major काम है swimming, parapodia का, याद रखना. Okay? Now arthropoda में gills, book lungs, tracheal system पूछा जाता है, which are organs of respiration, right? Gregarious pest locusta है, living fossil limulus है. Gregarious pest का मतलब क्या है? That they live in groups. Okay, they come together, they fly together, they eat the crops together and fly together. But there is no colonization. मतलब they are not helping each other. There is no division of labor, right? तो ऐसा नहीं है कि वो, जैसे हमने पढ़ा है कि ants में, bees में there is colonization, कि काम distributed होता है, साथ में मिलके काम करते हैं. So nothing like this is present in locusta. So that's why we are calling them as gregarious pest. याद रखना, ठीक है? चलो, मोलस्का में मेंटल कैविटी होता है, विच इज अ स्पेस बिटवीन हम्प एंड द मेंटल. किसके बीच में स्पेस है ये? बिटवीन हम्प एंड मेंटल, जिसमें होता है एक फेदर लाइक गिल जिसे बोलते हैं टिनिडिया. ओके, अंडरस्टूड. नाउ रेड्यूला पे भी बच्चा क्वेश्चन पूछा जाता है. ओके, सो रेड्यूला की अगर बात करें, इट इज अ फाइल लाइक रास्पिंग ऑर्गन इन द माउथ ऑफ मोलस्का. सब में नहीं होता है, बट ऐसा कुछ लिखा नहीं है एनसीईआरटी में, ठीक है? सो रेड्यूला इज अ फाइल लाइक रास्पिंग ऑर्गन. जिस तरह के फाइल से हम नेल फाइल करते हैं, है ना, बहुत टाइम हो गया है, मुझे तो टाइम ही नहीं मिल रहा है. तो फाइल जैसा एक रास्पिंग ऑर्गन होता है जिससे वो स्क्रैप करके अपना फूड खा सकता है इन द माउथ. ओके, एग्जाम्पल याद रखना है. सी हेयर पे बहुत बार क्वेश्चन पूछा गया है. एप्लीशिया, सीपिया इज कटल फिश, पाइला इज एप्पल स्नेल एंड डेंटेलियम इज एलिफेंट टस्क शेल. ओके, चलो. So now when we talk about hemichordata, remember they have proboscis gland for excretion. जब हम बात करते हैं chordata की, chordata I've already discussed. And echinodermata की जब हम बात करते हैं, water vascular system is asked in NEET. Okay, so water vascular system will help in locomotion. Okay, and remember that they don't have excretory system. Excretory system is absent in them. Okay, नाम क्या याद रखना है? एस्टीरिया, स्टारफिश तो याद रखना है. इसके अलावा याद रखना है ऑफियूरस विच इज ब्रिटल स्टार. सो टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट फास्ट, क्योंकि इसके बाद हम लोग सॉल्व करेंगे क्वेश्चंस. सो टेक अ स्क्रीनशॉट फास्ट. ये था आपका एनिमल किंगडम का क्विक रिविजन. जल्दी से स्क्रीनशॉट ले लीजिए प्लीज. राइट, सो अगर ये शॉर्ट नोट्स हेल्पफुल थे, let me know in the chat box, right? I will be bringing more short notes. I will try to cover every chapter like this. तो ये आपको याद रखना है, कि संभाल के रखना है for quick revision, right? Okay? Right? चलो, तो अब बात करते हैं क्वेश्चंस की. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन ऑन योर स्क्रीन. कैन यू ट्राई दिस वन? कैन यू ट्राई दिस वन? Nerve cells and sensory cells appeared for the first time in organisms with. तो जब हम नर्व सेल की बात करते हैं, सेंसरी सेल्स की बात करते हैं और पॉलीफेरा की बात करते हैं, सो डू दे हैव नर्व सेल्स और सेंसरी सेल्स? उनके पास है क्या? या यू कैन गेट द PDF फ्रॉम आवर टेलीग्राम चैनल. वी हैव अ टेलीग्राम चैनल विद द नेम इन्फिनिटी लर्न नीट. तो हमारा एक बढ़िया सा टेलीग्राम चैनल है इन्फिनिटी लर्न नीट के नाम से. ज्वाइन दैट. Link you will get in the description box, and definitely you will get PDF of this. Every session PDF is available there. Okay, please do join. So Telegram channel join kariye. Right, there you will get all the PDFs. So chalo question ka answer karna hai aap sabhi ko. Okay, let's see. So porifera, when we talk about porifera, they don't have nerve cells. It starts from Cnidaria onwards, and Cnidarias have tissue level of organization, isn't it? Cnidaria have tissue level of organization. Answer is D. Isn't it a very good question? So answer is D. Very good. It is D, beta. Rish, Abhishek, Mubashira, it is D. Chalo. Next question. Can you try this one? Try this one. Among the following, lowest level of organization is observed in. So we have here Annelida, flatworm, Cnidaria, mollusca. Yes, definitely. Cnidarias have tissue level of organization, right? Flatworms have organ level of organization. Annelida, mollusca have organ system level of organization. So answer here will be C. Very good. Soumya, Abhishek, Mubashira, Rish. Answer is C. Next. Try this. Alimentary canal has a single opening in the members of. So Echinodermata will have anus and mouth both. Anus on the dorsal side and mouth on the ventral side. So not this. Nematoda, roundworms, also have a complete alimentary canal. मतलब anus भी है और mouth भी है, so not this. Similarly, Annelida will have a complete alimentary canal. So answer here will be Platyhelminth. Platyhelminth have a blind sac body plan. They have just one opening or incomplete alimentary canal. ठीक है? So answer will be B. Okay? It's Ashish. Okay, Ashish. Sorry. It's Ashish. Okay. So answer is B. Okay. Next question. Actually, the screen is quite far from my side, so I'm not able to read it. So it's Ashish. I'll remember this. Okay. So try this one. Hello, Sangeeta. Tell me the answer for this question. Open circulatory system is present in the members of. Open circulatory system is present in the members of. Okay. So what is open circulatory system? Open circulatory system is when the capillaries are absent and the blood is going into sinuses, okay, or hemocoel, where the tissues or organs are there. So the tissues and organs are directly bathed in blood, as you can see here. No capillaries, and the tissues and cells are directly bathed in blood, right? तो किसमें होता है open circulatory system? याद करो. It was there in Arthropoda. It was there in Mollusca, but exception was there like octopus. याद आया? So here the answer will be arthropoda that have open circulatory system. But what is the meaning of closed circulatory system? If suppose the arteries are forming arterioles and the arterioles are forming capillaries. Yes. And the capillaries are forming venules. And the venules are forming veins. So can you see the blood will always remain inside the blood vessels. Blood हमेशा कहाँ रहेगा? Blood vessels के अंदर. Yes, संगीता, मुबाशरा, आशीष, सुमन, कहाँ रहेगा? Blood तो हमेशा blood vessels के अंदर रहेगा. And this is termed as the closed circulatory system, where capillaries are present and the tissues and organs are not directly bathed in blood, right? And the exchange is across the capillary wall. Am I right? Do we have PYQs? Definitely we will be doing PYQs also. So we are going to bring a series where we are going to discuss PYQs because it is absolutely important for NEET. और अभी तो याद रखो कि ना सिर्फ NEET के PYQs important है, JEE Main, JEE Advanced के PYQs भी हमारे लिए important हो गए हैं for physics and chemistry. Okay, so yeah, we will be doing that also. Okay, so don't worry. But here the answer is arthropoda. Absolutely correct. Very nice. So let's move on to our next question. So just go through this question and let me know in the chat box. Yes, everyone. Suman, Soumya, Sangeeta, Mubashara, Ashish. Tell me this. So we have two statements here. Statement 1 says, all radially symmetrical animals are diploblastic. All radially symmetrical animals are diploblastic. This is wrong. Why? Imagine echinodermata. Echinodermatas, starfishes. So they are not diploblastic, they are triploblastic but radially symmetrical. So this is wrong. All triploblastic animals are coelomate. This is also wrong. Why? Imagine platyhelminths. So platyhelminths are triploblastic but acoelomate. Okay, so both are incorrect. So our answer will be this. Both statements are false. So answer is C. Okay, answer is C. Very good, Suman, Sudharani, Mubashira. So the answer is C. Okay. Next. Favorite question of NEET. Segmentation is observed in Annelida, Arthropoda, Chordata. So here it will be Annelida, Chordata, not mollusca, not echinodermata, not all triploblastic. So answer here is A. Right? Yes, Abhishek, very good morning. How are you? Okay, very good. Congratulations. So yeah, very good. The correct answer is Jayant, Soumya, Mubashira, Suman, Ashish. It is A. Okay. Next. Try this one. A very good match the following type of question. Match column 1 with column 2. So notochord is a rod-like structure derived from mesoderm. Metamerism, serial repetition of organs. Coelom, body cavity lined by mesoderm. And mesoglia, undifferentiated layer between the ectoderm and the endoderm. So what is the correct answer for this? So A is matched with 4, B is matched with 1. So we have just one option here, that is 1, A. Yes, very good, Jayant. Mubashira, Ashish. Right. So it is 1 or A. A very good question from Porifera. So canal system is there in Porifera. Reproduction, yes, it helps in trapping the gametes. So the canal system or the canal with the spongiocele is lined by collar cells, if you can recall. तो ये collar क्या करता है? It can trap the gamete, so it can help in reproduction. It will help in exchange of gases. So when the water will be crossing this, right? So it can trap the gamete, then it can help in respiration, that means exchange of gases. Excretion may be help karega, but not in coordination. Yes. So answer here is D. Very good, Ashish. Very good, Mubashira. So answer here is D. Okay. Good. Next. Question on sponges and choanocytes, that is collar cells. So try this one. मैं थोड़ा साइड हो जाऊंगी so that you can see the question, so that it is visible. So choanocyte line the spongiocele and canal, yes. Fertilization is internal and development is indirect, बिल्कुल सही. Larval stages है, fertilization internal है. They exhibit cellular level of organization, yes. S cells in them are arranged as loose cell aggregates, yes. They have cell aggregates type of body plan. And all are asymmetrical. Now this is wrong, and this I told you in the beginning when I was giving you short notes. तो asymmetrical सारे नहीं हैं, majority of them are asymmetrical but not all. Okay, so this is wrong, right? So correct statements will be A, B and C. Okay, so answer is A. Understood? Yes, 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 yes. Jayant, Mubashira, Ashish. So, Suman. So, correct answer for this question will be A. Because mostly it is asymmetrical, not all. Right? Come on. Next question. Okay, bye-bye, take care. Okay, please watch the recordings because these questions are really good. So try this one. Aurelia is a sessile and cylindrical polyp form. So when we talk about Aurelia, Aurelia is jellyfish. Right? So this jellyfish is not cylindrical or sessile, it is the medusa form. And when we talk about Adamsia is sea anemone. So sea anemone, how it is? It is polyp form. Okay, ये polyp form है. Right, so this is given Medusa, this is wrong. So both the statements are incorrect. Okay, so correct answer is D. Yes or no? Very good everyone. It is D. Okay, both are incorrect. Next question. So can you try this one? Assertion and reason type of question. So assertion says osmoregulation and excretion in platyhelminth is performed by special cells called flame cells, which is right. And platyhelminths are mostly endoparasites, that is also right. But they don't have any relation, right? So reason is not at all related to assertion. So both are true but not the correct explanation of assertion. तो दोनों ही true हैं but correct explanation नहीं है. That's why it is B. B? Yes, very good. It is B. Next, try this. Select the correct match. Fasciola hepatica is blood fluke? No, liver fluke. Tinea is tapeworm. Wuchereria, hookworm. Wuchereria is filarial worm. And Ancylostoma is filarial worm, hookworm. सारे गलत है except for the tapeworm. So answer here is B. Very good. Jayant, Mubashara, everyone, it is B. Now next question. Try this one. Try this. So assertion says sexual dimorphism is observed in Ascaris. Yes. जब हम Ascaris को देखेंगे, the males are short and curved. And when we talk about female worm, okay, it is long and straight. So what exactly is the meaning of sexual dimorphism? When just by looking at the worms you can differentiate which one is male and which one is female. अगर आपको worms दे दिया जाए ये वाला, तो अगर आप देख के बता दो कि हाँ ये मेल है और ये फीमेल है, तो उसे हम बोलते हैं sexual dimorphism. Like we have seen in cockroaches also, isn't it? We have seen in frogs also. So yeah, this is right. In Ascaris, males are often longer than female. ये तो गलत है. This is wrong. So assertion is true. Reason is false. Answer is C. Am I right? Very good. Very good, everyone. Answer is C. Okay. Next question. Try this one. Try this. चलो देखते हैं. So Fasciola hepatica, the liver fluke, will be having flame cells for excretion. Paleomon is prawn, so it will not have parapodia. Okay. Statocyst for balance it is given, right? So parapodia is there in Nereis, isn't it? I told you that parapodia is there in Nereis because it is aquatic form. It helps in swimming, right? So Fasciola, 1 is matched with 1 only. So we will eliminate this and this. And can you see the D is matched with 3. Okay. So D is matched with 3. We got our answer. It is 2. Simple, right? So Paleomon have statocyst and ancylostoma, which is a hookworm, will be having excretory tube that removes body waste. So correct answer for this question should be B. Okay. So try this one. Echinodermata is exclusively marine, yes. Ascal means diploblastic body, no. Annelida bilaterally symmetrical, yes. Arthropoda metamerically segmented, yes. So Ascal means having diploblastic body is wrong. So correct answer here is B. Very good, very good. Next one. So can you try this one? Which of the following is true? For scorpion, which is an arthropoda, Nereis, which is annelida, cockroach, which is an arthropoda, and octopus, which is mollusca. तो इन सभी में क्या कॉमन होगा? Yes, सुधा रानी, मुबाशरा, जयंत. All of them have joint appendages, not all. All belong to same phylum, not at all. All of them exhibit bilateral symmetry. Scorpion, Nereis, cockroach, octopus. Yeah, and all of them are terrestrial, not at all. So correct answer for this question is C. C. Okay, so it is C. Next, try this. Okay. So the mental cavity possesses feather-like gills in. So mental cavity possesses feather-like gills in mollusca. And the name of this feather-like gill is Ctenidia. Note it down, please. Okay. So answer is mollusca, that is C. A very good question from the scientific names. Now, what is the problem with animal kingdom is the scientific names, right? So many times हम पढ़ते तो हैं but फिर भूल जाते हैं. तो क्या करना है हमें? Revise करना है. Continuously we need to revise, right? तो revision के लिए you can write all the animal kingdom examples in one paper. ओके एक A4 शीट ले लो, सारे एग्जाम्पल्स वहाँ पे लिख लो और उसको आप रिवाइज करते रहो, राइट? यू कैन मेक निमोनिक्स ऑल्सो. सो आई हैव बॉट सम सेशंस वेयर आई हैव डिस्कस द निमोनिक्स फॉर एनिमल किंगडम. यू कैन यूज दैट ऑल्सो. No, beta, octopus is not radially symmetrical. It's not about how the organism look. It's about the internal organs also. So it will be bilaterally symmetrical. So the symmetry of mollusca will be bilateral. Okay, remember that. So now let's match the scientific names. Pinctada. Pinctada is pearl oyster. Loligo, squid. Chetoplura, chitin. Dentalium, elephant tusk shell, Aplysia is sea hare. This I told you in the beginning also, right? So A is matched with 3, B is matched with 4, and C is matched with 1. So we know, and D is matched with 5. Yeah, so the correct answer is 1, and the differentiating one is this only, right? उसके पहले तो यहाँ पर भी same है. So correct answer for this question is A. Am I right? So it is 1 or A. Yes, Junaid. Correct answer is A. Yes, Junaid? Can you try this? The water vascular system in echinodermata help in all except. A question similar to the question that was asked in 2025, isn't it? So is it helping in locomotion? Yes. Is it helping in respiration? Yes. Capture of food? Yes. Is it helping in defense? No. So answer is D. Right? So answer is D. Right? Now a very good question. Can you try this one? Try this. Central nervous system is dorsal, hollow and single in chordata. So it's a very good differentiating feature between a chordata and a non-chordata. But when we talk about chordata, they have dorsal, hollow, single nerve cord. But when we talk about non-chordata, they have ventral nerve cord, which is double and which is solid. Yes? So this is correct. In non-chordata, heart is ventral if present. No. Heart is dorsal if present. So यहाँ पर होना चाहिए dorsal. So statement 1 is correct and 2 is false. Answer is B. Okay, क्या है answer? Answer is B. Got it? Come on. Next question. Try this. Till then I'll have some water. Try this next question. चलो अब इस क्वेश्चन की अगर हम बात करें, which of the following animal can regulate body temperature? And animals that can regulate body temperature are termed as homeotherms, right? Homeotherms बोलते हैं या क्या बोलते हैं? Warm blooded animals. Yes? Okay, thank you so much. Thank you so much, dear. Yes, please watch all the previous lectures and that will be helpful. कहीं भी there will not be any time waste and each and every lecture will be helping you to crack NEET. Okay, make sure you are taking all the PDFs as well. Right? तो चलो, body temperature जो regulate कर पाता है उसे हम बोलते हैं warm blooded animal. Okay? Now warm blooded animal सिर्फ कौन से होते हैं? Warm blooded animal होते हैं सिर्फ और सिर्फ mammalia, aves, isn't it? Only aves and mammalia. So can you tell me now the answer for this question? Neophoron, vulture, Macropus, kangaroo. So this is ave. This is mammal, so this is right. Alligator, crocodile, reptile. Balanoptera, blue whale. Scolidon, dogfish. Fish है ये? No. Salamandra, struthio. Salamandra, amphibian. Struthio, aves. Okay? So correct answer for this question is A. तो ये बहुत ही important है to understand that only aves and mammalia can regulate the internal body temperature. So they are warm-blooded or homeotherms. Okay? So correct answer is A. Next. Can you try this, everyone? Can you try this? बताइए. So pterophyllum is angelfish. Myxine is hagfish. वो तो fish है नहीं actually, but still name is there. Pristis is sawfish and Exocetus is flying fish. अब बताओगे? Yes, Tarun, Mubashara, Sudharani, Jayant, Junaid, Atul. So A is matched with 3, B is matched with 1, C is matched with 2 and D is matched with 4. We got our answer. It is 4. Yes? Very good. So answer is D or 4. ठीक है? चलो. Can you try this next question? बहुत ही अच्छा match the following question है. और इस तरह के क्वेश्चन से ना आप देखोगे कि वी आर नॉट जस्ट रिवाइजिंग वन पर्टिकुलर फाइलम, हम बहुत सारे फाइलम का रिविजन साथ में कर रहे हैं. ओके, सो ट्राई दिस. एब्सेंस ऑफ ओपर्कुलम. ओपर्कुलम मीन्स गिल कवर. गिल कवर किस में नहीं होता है? कॉन्ड्रिक्टाइज या कार्टिलेजिनस फिश में नहीं होता है. सो हम इसको मार्क कर देंगे कार्काराडॉन से. Okay, the great white shark. Presence of epidermal scale. Epidermal scale किस में होता है? So हमारे पास है एक branchiostoma which is amphioxus, bengarus and columba. तो scales होगा reptile में bengarus which is a snake. Absence of vertebral column. किस में नहीं होगा? branchiostoma which is amphioxus और lanceolate. न्यूमैटिक बोन किस में होगा? बोन्स विथ स्पेसेस. कोलम्बा में, बर्ड में, सो दैट दे कैन फ्लाई. राइट? स्क्रीन इज नॉट क्लियर फॉर एवरीवन. इज इट फॉर एवरीवन और ओनली फॉर सुधा रानी? कैन यू टेल मी? इज इट फॉर एवरीवन? बताओ मुझे. सो ए इज मैच्ड विथ 1, बी इज मैच्ड विथ 3. हमें आंसर मिल चुका है. सी इज मैच्ड विथ 2 and D is matched with 4. So answer is 3 or C. Let me know, is the screen not clear for everyone or is it clear? बताओ मुझे ज़रा. Clear? Okay. So there might be some network issues at your end, Sudha Rani, जिसके वजह से this is the problem, but don't worry, it will be fine in some time. Okay. So answer is C. Next. Can you try this? Okay, thank you so much for telling me whether the screen is clear or not. Thank you. Chalo, try this. So chordata, the notochord of the embryo is replaced by a vertebral column in the adult. तो हमें correct match बताना है without any exception. So, क्या in all the chordatas the notochord changes into vertebral column? No. There are protochordates ना जिसमें ऐसा नहीं होता है. So this is wrong. Mammalia के बारे में क्या लिखा है देखते हैं. They possess mammary gland by which the young ones are nourished. बिल्कुल सही. आँख बंद करके Mammalia का ये फीचर हम मार्क करेंगे. Because there are so many exceptions, but there is no exception with mammary glands. All the animals having mammary gland will be classified as mammalia. Got it? Chalo. Now, chondric thighs have an air bladder which regulate buoyancy. Not at all. Sharks को continuously swim करना पड़ता है. Sharks, chondric thighs needs to swim continuously because they don't have this air bladder. Okay, it is there in the ostrich thighs. So this is wrong. Apes fly with the help of wings. Not all can fly. What about ostrich, emu, kiwi? They cannot fly, right? So correct answer for this question is B. Am I right, everyone? Very good. Jayant, Tarun, Mubashara, very good. Keep it up. Okay, answer is B. Try this one. Which of the following is a limbless amphibian? While sleeping also? Yes. Okay, so they can go down and sleep, right, rather than swimming, but they cannot maintain the buoyancy because they don't have this air bladder. So which of the following is a limbless amphibian? So limbless amphibian is ichthyophis. It looks like a snake, but it is amphibian. Okay, so answer is D. Very good. Try this. Select the correct statement about turtles and toads. So first of all, turtles are reptiles. Turtles are reptiles and toads are amphibian. So both are amphibian, both are reptile, ये तो नहीं होगा. Both possess tympanum, yes. Both possess moist skin, no. So tympanum is like eardrum. So it is there in amphibian also and reptile also. So answer is C. C, not D. Turtles will not have moist skin, right? So answer is C, right? Try this one. Amphibians possess a three-chambered heart with 2 ventricles and 1 atrium. एम्फीबियन के पास 3 चैम्बर्ड हार्ट तो है बट 2 एट्रिया है और एक 1 वेंट्रिकल है, तो ये गलत है. क्रोकोडाइल possess a 4 chambered heart with 2 ventricle and 2 atria and they are viviparous in nature. तो पूरा स्टेटमेंट हमको पढ़ना है, तो वो हार्ट के बारे में तो सही लिखा है बट विविपैरिटी गलत लिखा है. दे आर ओविपैरस. बोथ आर इनकरेक्ट. Okay, so answer will be C. Answer is C. Okay. Okay. Can you try this? Incorrect match. Exocetus flying fish. हाँ ये तो सही है. Pteropus flying fox ये भी सही है. Hemirectilus garden lizard. I told you in the beginning. These are wall lizard. Aptenodite penguin बिल्कुल सही. So incorrect match here is C. Right? Very good everyone. Very nice. Tarun, Mubashara, Jayant, very nice. Thanks for answering. Okay, I will always suggest when you are present in the live lecture, make sure you are answering. Can you try this now? Junaid, very good. Which of the following characters is present in mammals but absent in other vertebrates? Right? Mammals में तो है but vertebrates में नहीं है. वर्टिब्रेट्स में तो बहुत सारे आ जाते हैं ना. एम्फीबिया आ जाता है, रेप्टिलिया आ जाता है, एव्स आ जाता है, मैमलिया आ जाता है. Yeah, this is the ear pinna. So ear pinna is there only in the mammals. Very nice. Very nice. Tarun, Mubashara. 4 chambered heart सब में है. होम्योथर्मी भी एव्स में भी है. ग्लैंडुलर स्किन भी काफ़ी में है. So the answer here is pinna. Good. Very good. Can you try this one now? Which of the following is the most important flight adaptation in birds? सबसे important कौन सा होगा इसमें से? चलो देखते हैं. Streamlined body with reduced body weight होना चाहिए, otherwise how they are going to fly? Additional chamber is not going to help in digestive tract in flying. 4 chambered heart, homeothermy or oviparity direct development is not going to help. What is going to help here is this. Very good. So answer is A. Now, can you try this? Select the group of vertebrates that are oviparous and undergoes direct development. Oviparous and direct development, okay, and we are talking about vertebrates, right? So cyclostomes, aves, echinoderms. So first of all, vertebrates. Cyclostomata are not vertebrates, echinoderms are not vertebrates. Aves will be the answer because all mammals are not oviparous. So correct answer for this question is B. Very good. Tarun, very nice. Right? Mubashara, yes. Now next question, can you try this? Identified the vertebrate animal by the presence of crop and gizzard. So crop and gizzard is there in birds or aves. Ichthyophis is not aves. Testudo is not aves. Balanoptera is blue whale, not aves. So what is aves here? Aptenodite, that is penguin. Right? So answer is C. Yeah, very good. Chalo. So try this one. Okay. Which will be the last question that we are going to discuss. Try this. A unique feature of bird is presence of wing. वो तो mammal में भी है. Presence of epidermal feathers. Yes. Ability to maintain constant body temperature. ये तो mammal में भी है. Gizzard and crop in the gut. ये तो cockroach में भी है. So correct answer will be B. Right? Very good everyone. Gurjar, Mubashara, very good. Tarun, now. So I will tell you, those who have joined late, जिन्होंने late join किया है, let me tell you that I have given short notes also of Animal Kingdom. तो अगर आपको perfect करना है Animal Kingdom chapter, then this session is for you. Okay? तो चलो फटाफट से देख लो, screenshot ले सकते हो आप. I have given short notes for basis of classification, chordata bhi, and non-chordata also we have covered in the screenshot. Yes or no? So make sure you revise this chapter, okay, and join my next session. Next session होगा Tuesday. Tuesday को join करना है next session, right? 1:30 PM. डेली कितने बजे क्लास होती है? डेली होती है 1:30 PM, बट आज 10 AM मैंने करके देखा एंड बहुत सारे बच्चे आए एंड आई एम हैप्पी विद दिस सेशन. सो मे बी सैटरडे को हम लोग जल्दी सेशन स्टार्ट करेंगे, बट ऑन ट्यूसडे माय सेशन विल बी एट 1:30 PM. ठीक है, चलो एक बहुत ही अच्छा आपके लिए न्यूज़ है दैट वी हैव लॉन्च्ड नीट टेस्ट सीरीज, राइट, वेयर द क्वेश्चंस विल बी डिजाइंड बाय द टॉप फैकल्टीज ऑफ इंडिया. And the pattern will be NEET based. So if you are in grade 11th, 12th, or you are taking a drop, you can join this test series. Very good test series it is, right? और अगर आप use करते हैं code YouTube 30 off, आपको मिलेगा 30% off भी. सारे solutions भी मिलेंगे questions के. Okay, so don't waste your time and please join this test series, क्योंकि आपको पता चलेगा कि आपकी ranking क्या है, all India ranking क्या है, where do you stand, कहाँ पे ज़्यादा मेहनत करना है, कहाँ पे जो है टॉपिक अच्छा चल रहा है, बहुत ज़्यादा मेहनत की ज़रूरत नहीं है. सो एवरीथिंग विल बी क्लियर, राइट? सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर जॉइनिंग एवरीवन. बाय बाय, टेक केयर, सी यू ऑल इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास.